All right, so we're going to talk about how to hang the easy screens now.
Okay.
So they're going to be stored in a drawstring bag just like this,
Okay.
and then the bag's going to be labeled with what screens and what opening numbers are in there. So we're working on opening number 6. We've got the screen pulled out ready to go, and the labels for every easy screen product will always be in the bottom left-hand corner. So you'll see the white tag down there, number 6. You know that's the bottom left, meaning this right here is the top left. So we'll go ahead and grab our handy hardware box over here that's got everything we need in it.
Okay.
We'll get some wing nuts up.
Okay.
We'll remove all of our vinyl cap covers, exposing the threaded studs, and from there we'll be ready to hang the screen. So we'll go ahead and start with that top left-hand corner. So if you want, we'll grab this one right here.
Let's see. Oh, this is light.
It is a very lightweight product, and it's designed where one person can hang it by themselves. And again, we're using our panel mate system, so no tools are required. These are going to be held on with wing nuts, and those wing nuts are just going to be hand tight. So you're going to take this metal bracket right here and slide that right over the panel mate stud, and then we're going to secure that with the wing nut. So we're just going to worry about this top one for right now.
Top one?
Fantastic.
So this is the little fastener?
Correct.
Fastener? And each of these buckles has one?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's how you're attaching to the wall. And again, we're just getting it hand tight and where the bracket's nice and snug against the wall. A few more turns and you'll have it right where we want it.
Okay.
Great. And then from there, we're going to come off the ladder and we're going to move it towards the right, and we're going to do the right side now.
Okay. So here it is right here.
Let me get the ladder for you so you got a little height.
Okay. Put the ladder into position. Oh, that was easy.
And then you're just going to take a wing nut from the ladder, fantastic, and then turn it to the right.
Okay.
Now with the easy screen system, you have the adjustable straps. That's how you get the screen nice and tight. And you do that by taking a strap and pulling away from the opening. So go ahead and take your strap on your side and just pull away from the opening.
Okay.
And that's going to get it nice and secure. From there, we're going to line up the remainder of the brackets and wing nut all of them down.
Can you go ahead and explain what I'm doing?
Yeah, so we're just securing each wing nut on the bracket. You're going to secure all the brackets with the wing nut, get the entire right side, entire left side done, and once they're all secured and wing nut in place, that's when you'll go through and adjust the straps to get the tension on the screen evenly going all the way down.
And how easy are these to store when I'm not using them?
Well, as you saw, they go in that drawstring bag. A lot of people keep them in a closet inside the home, in the garage. I personally store my screens under my bed because, again, they fold into that drawstring bag. They don't take up very much space at all.
Oh. Got too excited about putting this on without this.
I know it's a very cool product and you can get excited, but that's okay.
Oh, okay.
Got extra wing nuts on the ladder, it's okay to drop it. And then remember, in that hardware box, we provide you with extra hardware. We know you're going to drop pieces and you're going to lose them. You're still going to have extras in case that does happen. So when it's time to take the screen down, you're going to use the release button on each buckle, and that'll help you take the tension off the screen and get it ready to be taken down and put away.
Oh, that wasn't as hard as I thought it was.
Super easy. We call them easy screen for a reason. It's the most user-friendly and easiest to deploy hurricane shutter on the market.
I'm not very strong in my hands, so I was wondering how tight I was going to have to pull this.
No, you got it just fine. And again, this is another Florida Building Code approved product. It's made right here in Bradenton, Florida by Custom Hurricane Products. They come with a 10-year warranty, and again, it's the easiest thing that you can hang by yourself. We use this on doors, windows. We close off outdoor kitchens and lanais with this, front alcove entryways. So this is a great product with a lot of different uses. But sliding glass doors and windows are one of the main things things we use it on.
And this protects the opening from the wind and the rain.
It's going to protect you from wind, rain, windborne debris. It's going to protect you through the storm and get you and keep you and your family safe.